Fun. Took forever to get this thing up to temperature. There's still oil in the system a little bit. Right? And the room ain't sizzling. So I'm going to take the transmission out again. That's cool. Quite a bit. I don't know what's normal on these diesels. That doesn't look normal to me. We got this guy here. Let's put this back down. What's going on here? Come on. A little bit laggy. Go 1 to 1. I have my amp probe around all the injector power feeds. So each strike here is an injector firing. I want to just go on injector 1 and switch it onto this one, just this green one. And we'll see, I'll have, it's not every one, but you can see that's number 1. The yellow is here, which is hooked up to the dipstick. Alright, so you're getting, that's your blow-by, but right there is another pulse sensor into your coolant system, which is also getting blow-by. It's a little harder to see because it's following. There you go, it's following the other one. Put a little separation here. And those are 2 different pulse sensors. So the size of it isn't really important, but they're pretty much matching. So I'm getting the same pulses in the cooling system as I am the crankcase. And this right here goes to this, which is part of the breather system. I'm assuming this is the PCV or something, but if you pull this out, see all that stuff coming out of there? That's milkshake. And then you come over here. Right? You look in there. Milkshake. Unfortunately, this engine's got to come back out. I don't know why it has that going on. I don't know if the block is cracked or something, or this maybe the head gasket didn't seal right. But yeah, that's a bummer. I'm gonna shut it off and I'm gonna look inside the valve cover, see if it's milky in there. Doesn't look awful in here, but this is a fresh build, so it's very hard to tell. I don't know how much oil is going to come out of this, but well oiled. The radiator was flushed out. The heater core was flushed out. I flushed it out both ways with power flusher. Made sure there was no dirt or anything in it. Cleaned it out with water. The engine block. I don't know about the engine block. About that being flushed. I didn't have anything to do with the engine being removed or rebuilt. I took the coolant reservoir off and I cleaned that out. That was nothing but oil. I replaced every rubber hose coolant system. That's an awful lot of oil in there. That's where we are. Well, I filmed a video and that wasn't helpful because somehow it was time-lapse. But I got coolant, well, I got my smoke machine on, and coolant's coming out of this hose, which goes to the bottom and it vents straight down. I got coolant system, blasting coolant into the coolant system, or smoke. And you can see down there it's coming out of the number 1 and number 2 cylinder injector. I don't see anything coming out of 3 or 4. That's pretty cool. Oh, that sucks.